Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. If you guys are new here, welcome to my bed. I really wanted to start off this vlog literally as it is with me in bed. I am wearing my cute Kisses like pajama set from PJ Salvage. I'm reading a little romance book. Apparently it gets steamy, so I was like, oh, all right, I'll read that for Valentine's Day. Red, white, and royal blue. I started Untamed, but it's a little more self-help focused, like heavier topics, and I kind of wanted like just a mindless read for Valentine's Day, so maybe I'll be able to finish this whole thing today, or maybe over like the next 2 days, you know? So today's Valentine's Day. I know to a lot of people it's just another day, but you know, no. I want to treat myself. I want to indulge a little bit, so I'm definitely gonna take myself shopping. We're gonna go to Soho in a little bit, which will be fun. Probably gonna order some kind of like nice dinner. Also going to work out and of course practice self-care, which is like cleaning my apartment and like tidying up after myself. I have to like put away a bunch of laundry, you know, having a great day. Like to some people it is just another day. It's like a Hallmark holiday, you know, and to some people it's not, and that's okay. Like however you choose to celebrate it. For me, I'm like, I'm having a total me day, and I've had it on the calendar for a while now, and I've been like looking forward to today. So welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brooke. I live in New York City. I'm gonna get back to reading. It's 9:14 a.m. All right, I put on a little bit of makeup and I just talked on the phone with my parents, which was super sweet. Love them. Actually, my dad sent me flowers. I'll show you guys. He always hooks it up for Valentine's Day, seriously. Always getting me gifts since I was younger, which is setting the bar really high, you guys. But I am so beyond appreciative and just so lucky to have a dad like him, so supportive of me, and they are so beautiful. They're from at the Flower BX. Besides that, now we have the lovely task of putting away some laundry. This is self-care to me though, because I'm like setting myself up at the same time. It's a Sunday, so I'm also setting myself up for, you know, the week ahead. So I've been trying to challenge myself more style-wise because I just wear the most basic outfits and I want to like level it up. I figured today's the perfect occasion. I mean, literally as I'm in my pajamas, but you know, when I go out, I'm gonna go to Soho. And it's a wonderful occasion to dress cute. I actually have an occasion too. And I asked you guys on TikTok actually I kind of want to do like a style advice segment on TikTok. So I will insert the TikTok video here of me just talking through my dilemmas. I realized that I'm 23 years old and I literally don't know how to dress. I wear like matching sweatsets every day or like jeans and a shirt. I don't really have a style. So what I want to do is start a little series here on TikTok where you guys in the comments below will leave me a style suggestion or maybe even like a fashion trend, and I will try it out for you guys and share the process along the way. I just wanted people to like submit their style ideas, and you guys gave a lot of good ones. A lot of them are like skirts and stuff like that it's a little too cold for that, especially if I'm like walking around all day. Even if I wear tights, like it's still a little cold. If I was just going to dinner or something, I might be able to, but since I'm like shopping around today, I kind of want to do my long camel coat, some kind of shirt, not necessarily a sweater, some straight leg jeans, and then my Louis Vuitton combat boots that I've been wearing like every time I get dressed up or like put on real clothes, you know. I think that these will be perfect. Just like a light wash straight denim pair. This closet needs major work. I don't know if anyone has has tips, because I have like chairs in here. I mean, it's a huge closet, but I feel like it needs work. It's also like my coat closet, so it's just like jam-packed with all of my winter coats. This guy. This is my Everlane Italian rewool coat. I absolutely love it. I definitely will have to wear like gloves and stuff because it's gonna be chilly, but how cute is this? It's so chic. And I feel like this, if I wear the shirt like jeans and like a cute top, maybe even like a black shirt because this is tan, I feel like it could be good. I feel like with style, especially these days, like simple is so in, and I really appreciate that because it used to be so like you have to do all of these fancy things and like match the colors and whatever. Now it's just like what's trendy, which I don't really care what's trendy. It's more so like what you like, but I like just neutrals, and I prefer those kind of outfits. I also took out my Spanx leggings. I was maybe gonna wear those, but no, I like this vibe. Very chic. I think we have a look. I might be cold, but we'll figure it out. Also, who is this fitness girl? I already have my workout set prepped for later, and my sweatshirt and my socks, everything for when I get back from my day. But it's actually only, okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 11:40 a.m.
So I am going to treat myself and watch the series finale that just came out of the show that I've been watching with my family, me, but obviously I'm not home. So we're watching it on our own. It's called Your Honor. I just got a subscription to Showtime. I'm gonna cancel it before they charge me because it's like a 1 month free trial, but I wanted to be able to watch it. So I am going to watch that right now. Like I said, I already pretty much did my makeup. I'll touch up my hair and then change into that outfit and we'll be on our way. The stores don't even open until 12 anyways, and I don't need to be the first one, you know? It's all good. Here it is, Your Honor. Oh my God. All right, I finished the show. Kind of put me in a weird mood. So now we're gonna turn that around, go for a little stroll like I said. I'm not even in like a crazy shopping mood, but maybe once I get out there I am. I like put in my calendar to go shopping today, but now that it's the days here, I'm like not crazily in the mood, but like I planned for this, so I'm like I should go. But all I wanna do is sit on my couch and like watch an uplifting show now. But I'll listen to music and like walk around and should get out. It's good. This is the full fit. The jeans are definitely a little more loose than I thought they would be, but I'll probably button the coat anyways when I'm walking. And then we have my combat boots peeping through the bottom. This is so not my normal style, you guys. I mean, I like it better when it's open actually. Like I do like that look. Like this is cute. Should I put on necklaces? I don't know. I took off all my rings actually. They were starting to get a little loose on me. Not like falling off loose, but I was like, you know what? Let's just go ringless. I haven't done this in a really, really long time. So I feel diff. What else? Oh, my hair is like 3rd or 4th day with working out, so it's quite dirty. Feels kind of dirty. Like, you know, when you get to that point where you've put in so much dry shampoo that it starts to like feel like it needs a wash, like I'm on that level, which is fine, but like it needs a wash. I'm just gonna put everything in my purse. I feel like such an adult right now. Like this fit gives me like business woman vibes, but it's a Sunday. What am I doing? So I need to get a mask and I'm going to grab some gloves. These are my like Aritzia touchscreen gloves that I have. I'm gonna throw in my pocket. I don't know, sometimes I need a hat, but I'm gonna risk that. I will button this just so that I'm all buttoned up. Purse. All right, let's go. Finally on a quiet road. Did my purchase, and then I went to Aritzia and Zara, and I really didn't find anything that was especially calling to me. I don't really need to buy clothes right now. I can get into the reasons why later. I'm gonna go pick up some kava, bring it home, and do this unboxing. I actually got 2 things. One of them I had to order to my house, which is the thing that I actually like went there for, and then this was a bonus, but they had it in stock and I felt it was meant to be. My arm is lined up with all my faves now. I wanted to go to one more place. Yes, I saved this place from TikTok, you guys. It's 224 Mulberry. It's called Naked something. I think it's right around the block, so we'll stop there before I go home. Okay, they have a tunnel from one side of the store to the other, like connecting them from the outside. It's very cool. It's like a concept store, like brand by brand kind of. Definitely cool. It smells good. Home and defrosting, specifically my hands. I'm gonna eat my kava. My order, I'll share it with you guys. I switch it up sometimes, but it's always a greens and grains bowl. What is that red mark? Oh, that must have been from my bag or something. We'll just ignore that. Greens and grains bowl. Half arugula. Kava's the best, by the way. It's like Mediterranean chipotle, is that what we want to call it? Greens and grains, brown rice, arugula, always as the base. My dips, I do 2 tzatziki because I literally have it in my fridge. Like I have the kava tzatziki in my fridge. It's so good. 1 hummus, and then chicken. And then for toppings, I do pretty much all the veggies. Tomatoes and cucumbers. I did olives, corn, pickled onions. I think that's it. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Watch some Firefly Lane. I think I only have like 1 or 2 episodes left. Hopefully I could save one of them for when I work out because I need a good show when I work out to keep me motivated, and then we'll do the Chanel unboxing. All right guys, now in the bedroom, let's do an unboxing. I've never done a handbag unboxing. This is so, wait, do I have for my teeth? I just inhaled that bowl. I don't do really handbag unboxings. This is very like off-brand for my channel, it feels like. It's not crazy off-brand, but I'm getting more and more into luxury goods, like stuff like that. Obviously, you guys can probably see that, but also as I start earning the money to be able to buy them for myself. So this is my 2nd Chanel purchase. I'm very excited about it. It's actually funny because I used to be like, I literally said this a few months ago. I was like, you get 1 Chanel purse and like you don't need any more. Well, now here I am. I'm addicted because I got my first one. I was like, this is insane. Like, I'm obsessed. So I understand why you want a ton of them. I'm trying to find ones that are practical for my life. Like, I'm not gonna go out and buy like these huge ginormous bags because like I wear mostly crossbodies, which is what today's purchase is. Hint, hint. Yeah, let's just do a little unboxing, shall we? And you guys can see. I posted a picture of the bag on Instagram and you guys were like going off. I don't even want to ruin this beautiful wrapping. I went to the Soho store, like I said. They did a beautiful, beautiful job wrapping. Oh my gosh, I don't want to ruin this. It's so pretty. Should I like bring it close to the camera? Like, I feel like this is weird. Oh my gosh, am I okay? I'm removing the wrapping. I feel like I should be doing this like ASMR style. The last one I literally just tore through the wrapping because I was so darn excited. This one I'm showing you guys. We're doing it carefully. I mean, a true luxury experience. Walking around the store, I'm like, wow, this is a dream. Any like luxury store, of course, is insane, but you know. Okay, so what did I get, guys? Ah, she's stunning. Bet you didn't expect the color, right? How freaking beautiful is this? This is the Boy Chanel wallet on a chain. I pulled it up just to have it for reference. They actually don't even sell this like configuration of it online. It's only in boutiques. The one that they sell online, it comes with like they call it a ruthenium finish metal red, but this is like gold. I decided I wanted a bold color, and I know you're like, Brooke, you're not gonna wear a bold color, but I am. That's the thing. Like today's outfit, it was all neutrals. Like I could have used like a bold statement. I really wanted red. I like pinks and things like that. Obviously I love pink, but I feel like red is a little more like boom, it's out there, you know? And I really thought that it would be a fun pop of color. I'm absolutely obsessed with this, you guys. It is a little, it's not even little, it's like, I don't know how to give you reference. It's like the size of my forearm almost. On the inside there, it does actually have slots for your cards, so you don't have to put a wallet in there. It has like a little zippered section. It's actually like a decent amount of room in there. And then of course we have the chain, which I will take out and show you guys what it looks like on. I vlogged, I think, in the store, yeah. And then it just kind of clips back together. You know, I like this because I think you could wear it similar to my other Chanel bag with a bunch of different things. Like I could wear this if I'm, you know, dressed up for the night and like this is my fun bag, or I could wear this with like jeans and a t-shirt and it's like a fun pop, you know? And I feel like that's like my style of purse that I need, is something that can go with anything. And I just really like a crossbody, especially living in the city. I don't like walking around with open totes or anything like that because I feel like people, not that they could like launch at me and like grab my stuff, but you know, it's just way more protective to be like, to like have this like this. I did put on a sweatshirt, by the way. It was freezing. Very cute, right? I think it is. I am excited to, you know, when life is open again, rock this. But in the meanwhile, when I'm like shopping and out and about, like how freaking cute. I am so beyond blessed and grateful that I can afford to buy things like this for myself. Like I don't think I'll ever be able to fully conceptualize that self-love. And self-love doesn't have to be, I know then everyone's gonna be like, you don't have to go to Chanel to practice self-love. Could not agree more. Honestly, my favorite part of the self-love that I'm going to practice today is going to the gym, which is insane. I can't believe I'm saying that either. Self-love is practiced in a bajillion other ways, but I figured, you know, why not have this to remember that when I was 23 and single on Valentine's Day, I bought myself this bag. Like I feel like I'm connecting the memory to a special thing, just like how my other purse I bought for myself for Christmas. Like you don't have to buy it for a special occasion at all, but I feel like it makes it that much more impactful. I don't know, at least to me, it's like cute. I don't know, little memory with myself. Oh, and then the other thing that I purchased, the other item, I purchased a new wallet. I actually had to order it, but it is a black like zip up wallet, so I'll show that when it comes in, which was also very expensive. So this is my purchase. She's gorgeous. I know you guys are gonna be like, the red, but Brooke, this is bold. But I looked in my closet and all of my bags are either black, tan, or I have a light pink. Like they're very neutral. So I really wanted something that was just totally different, that like when I want that pop. Also like this in the summer is gonna be so fabulous. Like all white, and then this is my bag. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I'm just prepping early. Okay, amazing. We love self-love. That was my first handbag unboxing. Wow. And then I went to Aritzia and Zara. Aritzia, I couldn't find anything. Honestly, I think we're getting to the transition of seasons. Like you're not buying like your heaviest sweaters anymore per se, because we're on the like winter ends probably what, in March, and it's like almost middle of February. So that kind of makes sense. We're at the tail end of winter, but then you're not buying stuff for spring yet. So I feel like we're kind of at a transition of seasons, because I felt the same way about Zara. They had a lot of bold prints and stuff, and I'm actually trying to go more neutral with my style. So I just didn't really find anything, which is fine. Also, on the note of like clothes and stuff, I've been trying to buy less clothes because I think I'm gonna go through my closet and do like a really mega purge, like sell a ton of my stuff. I do that every now and again where I'll put together, you know, a bag or two to sell. I don't want to like start new per se, but really do a deep cleanse. Also with losing weight, I am not yet at my goal weight, so I don't really see the point in buying like fabulous expensive clothes or anything like extra. I'm not gonna like go jean shopping right now per se. I got these Princess Polly jeans. They fit, let's be honest, like they are my true size, but they're getting a little loose on me, a little looser than I would like them to be because I am losing weight, which is a good thing. Like that's great. I don't want to keep buying things that I'm just gonna grow out of. I'd rather just like hold off and like save all that spending till I like am at my goal, you know what I mean? And that's not to say like the clothes in my closet probably are from when I was that weight anyways. I don't know, it's like all one big cycle, and there's nothing wrong with that. I know people then are gonna say treat yourself no matter what, like don't say you're gonna buy clothes only when you lose weight or whatever, but like I just know myself and I know the rate at which I'm losing weight, and it's kind of pointless for me to like go jean shopping right now or like buy, you know, form-fitting clothes that aren't gonna fit anymore. Anyways, it's all good because I'm saving money then because I'm waiting, you know? And it's in between seasons anyways. I'd rather just wait till like spring to like do the wardrobe refresh. Winter's kind of boring anyways. You know, I like winter style, but it's always like so layered up, and it's so like I want to pull off that like, you know, trendy layered look, but I always feel bulky. Problems because you have to stay warm, so it's like, what do you do? All right, I'm gonna change into workout clothes. I'm gonna digest for a little bit, and then we will go work out and finish Firefly Lane. What a day. Wearing my lavender Align set, just washed it, so yeah. And then this zip up is from Nike, Nordstrom Rack, sneakers, you know. Let's go walk. Showered, feeling good. Well, actually I took a bath and then I showered. Finished Firefly Lane. The ending was very confusing, but I'm feeling good right now. What's about to come up is my Outback Steakhouse that I ordered for dinner. I was gonna get like an actual steakhouse dinner. Outback is just so good, and they have them in the city, so I ordered it online. Like, it's so great. This is a true self-love day. I'm actually going grocery shopping tomorrow, like full Trader Joe's stock up, so I know you guys will like that in the next week of my life. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I've been doing the Dyson Airwrap too, but not today. No, I'm not gonna do my hair today. I'll wait till tomorrow, but I feel good that I got everything really done before the weekend, like laundry, and feeling good. I didn't know what to watch, so I'm gonna watch All American. Let me know if you guys have ever watched it and if you enjoyed. Glorious dinner, and this is where I eat my meals, by the way. I don't have a proper table. My next apartment that I live in, I definitely wanna make sure that I have room for the proper table set up. I mean, I don't mind really eating on the couch / floor, but you know, sometimes I wish I do have that table over there, but then I can't watch the TV. For optimum single viewing, this is it. Victoria's filet, baked potato, and then I got a Caesar salad. Yum. The red light is on. People ask me how I can read. I have really good vision, so I actually don't mind it. I don't have like quite an eye strain. I only got through like 50 pages of this today, so I'm gonna just read until I get like really tired, which usually is for like honestly an hour or so, considering it's not even 10. This wallpaper is from the Gals on the Go podcast. We have a highlights tab and there's wallpapers, and I absolutely love it. Little disco balls, fun, right? I'm about to climb into bed. Actually, I need more water. I always refill. Wow, look at this. I always like have fun with the shadows here. So yeah, I'm going to hop into bed, read my book, take these every night so it's no surprise. I actually have my retainers in too. I just haven't been wearing them, and I want to get back on the swing of wearing them. I don't want my teeth to shift. All right, well, I love you guys so much. Sorry it's red now, but thank you guys so much for joining me for this super fun day. I hope you all treated yourself under some capacity, single or in a relationship. You all deserve to, or whatever your situation is. I know some people replied like, I'm married, or like, it's complicated, and that's okay too. As long as you're doing you and putting yourself first. Do you guys sleep with your hair up or down? If it's like long enough to do either of those. I usually do sleep with it down. I don't know why, but I like keep it up before bed and stuff. I don't know. All right, I'll talk to you guys all in my next video, which is going to be probably a week of my life. So stay tuned for that. Love you guys. Bye.